Beto Mong.
First possession para sa Violet. Goods open for 3. Goods Montilla. 3. Puputulin na ng Gray. First shot by Curse. Good. Inside to and a struggling Gary. First quarter for Dirk. And the scoop shot naman for JC Biaco. Low by shot and a Rassel layup. Oh. Gassel to Goy, another catch and shoot. This time is good. Goal 7. Third, nice pass and the layup. And the finish by Andrew Gonzalez. Casey on the mid-range. Gassel secures and off the mark. Gassel down the lane. Lays it up again. Fast break for third attacking Cardenio. And the layup finally is to Border Carpeta. He's overshooting. Amalin on the push. Amalin. Alright, hesitation. Alley play. Good strikes again. Another miss on the long overdue. Fast break. And Kurt Carpeta gets the basket. Make a sound of foul. Foul number 4. Rigondola. Another time, good read by Casey. Casey to Kerr, overshirt. Jackson inside again. Billy Moore, pass to Kerr. Kerr to Jackson. Coleman. All players touches the ball and the finish by JC. 1 minute. Sean, transition jumper. Another off the mark. Carpena, transition then. Jumper is good. Isang dosena na. Double team. Back to William Moore inside. Another miss for Michael. Montillas on the run. Montillas lays out in. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Comia with a fake. Comia with a shot. Comia. 3. 34-21. Amalin. Oh, nice move. And somehow he gets the horse shot. Amalin off the glass over. Overshoot for Amalin. JC running right-handed layup for JC Biaco. Mendoza. Lugoy floats it up. Overshoot then. Amalin pushing. Third, good. Oh, nice. Unselfish play for Carpena. Mendoza floats it up. Lil Zinero on the board. Ahead to Amalin. Amalin bounce pass. And Andrew finishes the game. 8-31. May bubulig sa likod. Casey, hand off to Vivas. Another three coming up, no good for Amalin, but a miscue on the offensive rebound, and Michael Villamor finished the fast break. Transition, die shot. Open Montillas on offensive rebound. Back to Montillas for three. Good Montillas. And another steal inside to Cardenio. Villamor looking for JC. And an open mid-range and the putback. Wala pa rin. Jassel na naman on the inside. Wala good. Michael, another step through. And he gets the 2 points. Finally. Villamor pass to Verbena. Cross court to Comia. Villamor with a pump fake, with a scoop, with a shot is good. 35 seconds. Lutz. Rayanan. Deshaun. That's the Yugo step is good. Oh, there's too much, but safe. Pass break. Lutz on the drive. On the left. 3 seconds. Mga palag. Ang mas batang na Andrew inside. Almost. And the flip shot is out. A chance for Violet, but the pass is too much for Fontelia. And a steal by Fontelia. Jassel on the move. Jassel powering through and gets the 2 points. No help. Oh, nice call out on the bench for Gray. And it's a pass break. It's a pass break. Hindi na nakakahabot si Gabby. 2 points na para kay Sanak. And another ISO. Jassel. Pass. Villamor. Floats. Miss. Jassel. Follow. The Raptor gets the 2 points. Jassel, susubukan ang balay niya mali. The Raptor again. Another easy basket. Lakat suli sa walo. Montelius pressuring, not get the ball. Back out. Third open. Trey. Yes, sir. Arbena. 3. JC 10 to shoot. JC loses the ball. Ahead to shot. Another man-to-man defense. JC contra Arbena. JC puts it up. Oh God, another offensive board and a Raptor. Hindi kaya talaga sa ilalim. Sila Raptor, pero may pass break. May quick layup para sa kabilang Violet. Inside para sa Gray. Pass break para sa Violet. Jassel left the ball. Jassel looking for a foul. No whistle for Jassel. Jassel loses the ball. One there. 2-on-1. Shot. Lutz down the lane. He misses the layup. JC forward pass. Almost. Cardenio. Sasalubungin pa. Hindi na. Sabi ni Carmena. Pushing the pace. Splitting. Pass. Broken up. But still by JC. 2-on-1. Pass. Pocket pass. And easy basket again for Cardenio. It's a 10-0 run. Galing all 66 tayo. Sean gets the basket with a samba foul. All number 5, Mendoza. Question. Lucky break for Team Violet. Sean looking for Amalin. Amalin open break. Amalin 3. Amalin attacking Mendoza. Top angle. Another top shot for Violet. And easy basket again for Jassel. 2 seconds. The break for Violet. Amalin. Touch pass. Wise fake by Drew. Throws plus ball possession. 4 na lang ang lamang. Sean. Pass. Dudes for 3. From Violet to Lynch and take back the lead. Sean on the ball. Dirk wants back to Sean. Sean for the lead. Sean on the 3. At ganon-ganon lang na. Lawak na ang Violet. Castle with the power. Golia for 3. Golia 3. Comia to Kerr. Kerr jumper is no good. A good tap from behind by Dutz. And he has a steal. Sean on the bend. Pass to Dirk. With the right. Take a sound of a foul. It's too early for Andrew. Pwede ba sanang reset yun? Eto na si The Raptor. He gets the basket. May kasama pang gulong. All number 9. And Sean slow things down. Back the shot clock is the 10. Good for Drake. For Violet. Kerr gets it good. Ties the game. All night. Kerr kanina, same spot, same result by Kerr Carpena. And under 4 minutes now. On the game one, Drew pass, Amalin for Drew. Amalin, 3. Long ball, answer for Violet. Balikan naman, here comes Castle. Basket may kasama pa foul. Clock. Sean offers the pick. He fires a 3. Another long ball for Team Violet. And another answer. Same spot again. Another baseline jumper by Kerr Carpena. 6 straight na para Kerr on the same spot. Under 3 minutes. Sean looking for back-to-back.